Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to blur background on Zoom. I will show the method on both the mobile and the PC or the laptop. So first let's see it on the mobile. If you have the mobile just like so, you can see this icon, this blur icon on a camera. You just have to tap on it, then click on blur. And this is the first video call effect that you can actually apply. If you cannot find it, you just have to tap on your screen, then scroll to the left till you find here more options. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see here background and effects. Tap on it. Then you should tap on blur right here. Now let me show you how to do it on the PC. On the PC, it's much more simpler. You just have to click on this video icon, click on this arrow beside it, then click on blur my background and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.